Today, we are finding the slope of a line given 2 points. The formula. When you are given 2 points, you use the slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M is the slope. x1 and y1 come from the first point. x2 and y2 come from the second point. Our problem? We are given 2 points. Point 1, 2, minus 4. Point 2, minus 5, 6. Step 1, label your points. From point 1, x1 equals 2y1 equals minus 4. From point 2, x2 equals minus 5y2 equals 6. Step 2, plug into the formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals 6 minus 4 over minus 5 minus 2. Step 3, simplify the numerator. 6 minus 4. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding. 6 minus negative 4 equals 6 plus 4 equals 10. Step 4, simplify the denominator. Minus 5 minus 2 equals minus 7. Step 5, write the slope m equals 10 over minus 7 and m equals minus 10 over 7. Final answer equals minus 10 over 7. Important note, it does not matter which point you call point 1 and which you call point 2, as long as you are consistent. The strategy step 1, label x1, y1, x2, y2 from your 2 points. Step 2, plug into m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Step 3, simplify the numerator. Step 4, simplify the denominator. Step 5, write the slope as a fraction. Step 6, check the sign. Negative slope means the line goes down.